Okay, so last we talked to you, we were kind of just going through checking our water system. So we ran the whole check. We did have one leak around the pump that we fixed, and all the rest seemed to be working pretty well. So we went ahead and started getting this kind of all finished up. So the first step in that, we wrapped this braided cable that I believe we were showing you earlier. We will post the name of this on our site. I don't quite remember what it's called, but it is a braided cable that essentially helps to keep our pipes from freezing. Depending on how often you wrap it, like how many wraps in a certain length of space, kind of determines what temperature rating it goes to. So ours should go to below -20, so hopefully that's good enough. This stuff is required to have some sort of an insulation barrier over it, either fiberglass or what we put on these rubber sleeves. So you can see we're about half done putting the rubber sleeves on. So this underneath here, it's all spiral wrapped. You can either spiral wrap or straight wrap the cable, it doesn't really matter. So all that's done all the way up through the roof. We will have to put a waterproof coating of something over this on the roof. The stuff can't get wet, which is key to know about it. But other than that, we're gonna finish wrapping up these in the insulation sleeves, and then we should be able to get this wall completely insulated up and ready to board. We're also gonna try to get this box installed with all the fittings once this wall is insulated, and go from there. So pretty big updates today, and we will keep you posted.